Hello, welcome everyone, and I'm going to show you here how you actually started to go with merging frames on Figma first. What you're gonna do is about actually to follow this video. So what you're gonna do is about to start with going on through this big frame and then wireframe, maybe this is really called, and this is really another frame. Now what you're gonna do is about to start to resize them inside one parent. Okay, so maybe we can start to group or combine them into with auto layer. So maybe we can start to merge them if you want. For example, I would like to start to make this red with a stroke. Maybe okay, so maybe we can start to take the outside color and the inside color would be like red also, and another one would be, and if you see this really the frame that we see is really black. Okay, now what you're gonna do, we have this one and then we add it inside it, and this is really how it works if you wanted to have it inside it. So really what you're gonna do is about to resize them into one parent as I said, and this is how we resize them. Now group or combine with auto layer. When you see this auto layer, when you click on auto layer here and then starting with control A, and or maybe you hold the control and select the first layer and second layer and third layer together, or maybe we can start to see this one because the frame vector is really not acting like that, so we can start to go and use the first frame right here. Okay, this really made it quite it. So, okay, here we are. Now we have to see that if you click it on this single one, this is gonna be like this, and here we are. We have to start to make a merging between them, and okay, so we have to start to make a merge and control the use as mask. Maybe it doesn't work actually. So I don't know, but this is really, if you click it on that, it really goes on to make it union and merge it to it.